Start a sketch on the top plane. Draw a circle with a diameter of 2 mm centered on the origin. Extrude the circle 10 mm upwards to create a cylinder. On the top face of the cylinder, draw a circle with a diameter of 5.5 mm. On the top face of the screw head, draw a hexagon. By clicking on the vertex plus Ctrl plus the origin point and selecting the vertical relation, we can fully define the sketch. Make a cut of 1 mm. Apply a rounding of 1 mm. Apply another of 0.25 mm. To design the thread, click on Insert, Features, and Thread. Select the end condition face. Select the thread size indicated on the plan. To make the thread, we must remove material, therefore, select Cut Thread. To remove the imperfection, edit the thread operation and modify the value of the offset to completely cut the cylinder. Great. To practice, try doing it yourself by looking at the drawing and following these steps. Good luck.